Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will recap together Python dictionary by highlighting concession stand exercise. So a concession stand or a snack bistro or a snack bar is a place where the patrons can purchase snacks or food at cinema, zoo, or like a stadium or on a beach or on anywhere. Okay. We want to write a Python program that is used at a concession stand or snack kiosk or snack bar that is used to automate the process. So our Python program will automate the process of purchasing. We have to use Python dictionary, okay, and the user must select within the list, okay, so the items should be restricted to items in the list. So what we can do, or how can we start? We can say like stand items, and these items are represented in a form of a dictionary. Okay, so we have chips, okay, and the price, let's say, see random price 5. We have gum, and the price is 3. We have also lemonade, and the price is 8. Okay, and we will have also soda, okay, and the price is, for example, 10. And what else we have popcorn, and the price will be 5. And we will have also fries. Sorry, we will have fries, okay, and the price for the fries is 12. What else we can have? For example, Pepsi, okay, and the price for it maybe 15. What else? Lastly, we could have pizza, and for this pizza the price is 20. Okay, this is our items, okay, that are located in a vending machine, okay, or purchase machine, okay, in the vending machine of a concession stand or snack kiosks, or what we call it snack bars. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to print the item, but I want to decorate this using I want to print it 1 star, then I want to print menu, then I want to repeat another 20 stars here. Okay, so this will be printed like this. Then we learn together, because this is a dictionary, we learn together that we can loop, okay, for key and value in as the stand items dot items. I want to print, for example, in a form of f string. I want to print this key, then I want to move little bit, and I want to consider also format specifier. Please go back to the format specifier lecture and see why I use this 20, because I want to shift or add like space by 20. Then I want to say I have after this I will have US dollar, okay. Then I want to print the value. I just want to make a little bit of space here, and I want to close this by printing for example, I want to print stars. For example, I want to print 50 stars, okay, and this multiplier is necessary. Now this is the stand I have. This is inside the vending machine. This is what the screen will inform me, okay. The screen will let me inform like this. We have this menu, and if you choose chips, you have to be 5. If you choose soda, you have to be 10. And if you want to have pizza, like this. Okay, so the first thing we did is we designed a dictionary. We placed item inside the dictionary. Then we visualize the item inside the dictionary. So what we will do now, to make the user select from this dictionary, I want to win a card, and it will be empty list. Why empty list? Because I want to append, and I cannot open tuple. Tuple is immutable, but a list is immutable, so I can append to that list. I want also to take the total to be 0 because I want to save the total price. We learned in while loop that we can use while true for like infinite loop, and under this I want to take infinite user selection, okay, so into input, okay, what the user is. I will have to select an item from the menu, okay, the menu, okay. So the user should select an item from the menu. Just I have to also do selection like this. Then what I have to do? Well, if the user will submit the letter Q, the program should be terminated. So if user selection, which is the input, will equal to Q, then what the action that should be made, then the program should break. Okay, so we break the program. Okay, now if the user selection, okay, not the stand item, okay, meaning that if the user will insert an item outside this like dictionary of items, then a message should appear to the user to refine his request. So if the stand items, we learn together .get method, okay, if it will contain user selection, which is the thing that the user must submit, not located inside the dictionary, then this will return none. Okay, so if the dictionary .get the user input, so for example, if the user say I need Coca-Cola, then in this user input line, okay, the Coca-Cola will be inserted here, and we learn together in dictionary that .get should get the or should consider Coca-Cola as a key, but Coca-Cola is not exist here, so the dictionary by default return none. Now, if it none, which means that the item outside this dictionary, then I have to print a message to the user to refine. Enter, okay, an item, okay, from the menu only, okay. So we have to restrict the user to only select from this dictionary or from these items. Now here we suppose that the user will enter something that outside this dictionary. Okay, now we did our test. If the user will press Q, the program will be terminated. Now, if the user will like submit something outside the dictionary, a warning message will appear to the user. But if the user will not press Q or will submit something from the dictionary, not from outside, then I go to else. I have to append to my cart, okay, what is the user selection, what the user will input. So by this line, we be assured that the user will only submit something from the dictionary, okay? Then the user will input something or an item from this list of items. Then I want to also augment the value of this total parameter by using the stand items dot get, okay, the user selection. Let's describe this. We say that the user will input pizza, okay, so an input pizza will come, okay, and it will come here. Then we append pizza inside this list, and in this line the total, which is 0, will be augmented by using the .get method of this dictionary. So this is the dictionary. .get pizza will return 20. So .get the user selection, which is this, will return to me 20, which is the number 20 that will augment this or increase the value of this. Now, because while loop is an infinite loop, so in while running, the user, for example, submits soda. Soda will be submitted from here. The user will input this, and it's not the queue. It's inside the item, so inside the dictionary. So it will the execution will reach here, and it will append to this card, okay, soda, and we will get the soda. So soda will come here and get, okay, soda from the dictionary will give me a number. Then we will add it to the user. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to, for example, let us print just print just to add a new line. I want to print the same. I want to consider 20 stars, okay, and I want to consider adding to the user, for example, your card, okay, the user that appended, okay, and I want to just to keep the same uniform. Let us use single, okay, single quotation, your card, okay, and I want to use here 20 stars name. So this is 20 stars, okay. Then your card is a list of what you entered, what you submitted. So I can say for item, okay, in card, what I have to do, I have to print to the user, print, okay, and you in a form of a string. I want to print the item, okay, and I want to consider 20 space after each item, and I want to use the US dollar. Where is the US dollar? Okay, and I want to print, okay, here beside the US dollar, I want to print from the dictionary dot get the item itself, okay, the item. Again, here I loop inside this card, and this card only accept the item from here that the user will append. Then I loop into it and I get the value of this item, which is an item inside this card. Okay, so we loop in this list and we use .get method of the dictionary based on each single item just to have the corresponding price. Then I move to another line. I want to print a form of string your total price is, then I want to open quotation, I want to open this placeholder, I'm going to submit the total because the total now is accumulated based on the items inside here. Let us execute our program. Okay, so I want to choose gum, then I press enter. Select another from the menu. I want to choose lemonade. Okay, then lemonade is like not this spelling because I intended it to be in the starting or the leading letter is capital letter, so I have to say lemonade. Okay, then fries, then Pepsi. Okay, what if I say Coca-Cola? We agree together. Coca-Cola. It will show to me that enter an item from the menu because Coca-Cola is not inserted at the beginning at early dictionary. But if I press Q, then the program will be stopped and a message will appear to me that you choose gum, it's okay. You choose lemonade, you choose fries, you choose Pepsi, and here are the corresponding price because we used .get method, okay, here for each user, for each item, okay, it will return to me the price, and finally the total is 38. And this is one useful implementation of concession stand or question stand, where this stand or snack bar is used like in zoo or like stadium or a beach or anywhere, and we recap together dictionary in Python. That's for today's tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will learn together random module in Python.